Here's 2 ways that you can crack your own back, or at least release off the joints and get yourself feeling better. So in this position, you're going to bring your foot hooked behind there and rotate yourself all the way through, and then do the other side like that. Pause there. And then the next one is in this position. Reach your arm all the way through and all the way up. Same thing the other side. All the way up, all the way through. These exercises can give a little click in the back or a release, or at least they'll just stretch through the joints and get yourself moving better.